ready. And they racing away in the President's Champions Challenge over the 2,000 metres, and Knock on Wood was a little slow out of the gate. Mujarab, that got out well as an early leader. Master Plan, E-Jet is up there on the outside of runners. Show Gunner is well placed and now staying with the leaders, with Zambuca who's outside of them. Then the white cap of Heavy Metal is 3 lengths off the leader. Knock on Wood's made up the ground and is 4-5 off the leaders now, being followed another length over towards the outside, White Line Fever, and they about 6 or 7 lengths from the leaders now, with Barakars on the far side of runners and 7-8 lengths off them. Then the black cap of Yoman is inside of those runners. Putney Flyers further back in the field as well. Ilabella and Pierre Jordan is racing in behind that as they go around to the furthest point away from the commentary box, and they have around 1,300 metres to go. And it's Show Gunner who leads the way. E-Jet is racing in the second spot, and again they're going slowly here with Mujarab, who's at the fence and a length off the leader. Heavy Metals in the white cap and Master Plans in the thick of things. Barakars outside of those. Calida's Destiny, Black Sleeves and Cap, and Zambuca is racing outside of that and about 5 lengths off the leader, Knock on Wood. Glorious Jet is further back in the field as well. White Line Fever got 6 to go. Putney Flyer is after that lot with Yoman further back in the field. Knock on Wood is to the inside of those. Ilabella's about 7-8 lengths from the leader, and Pierre Jordan's the trailer. Homeward bound now, and it's Show Gunner the leader in the President's Champions Challenge. E-Jet is looking to move in now and attack. Mujarab is on the inside. Master Plan in the red's got 2 lengths to find on the leader. White Line Fever's just got to keep it up now and travels in the blue cap to the outside. Heavy Metals inside of those, and they're being followed by Glorious Jet as they travel to the 300. It's E-Jet now. White Line Fever, Ilabella's come from the back of the field. Show Gunner, Heavy Metal is in the white cap. White Line Fever, Knock on Wood, E-Jet on the inside. Heavy Metal's running on well in the white cap to the inside, and Heavy Metal has picked it up in the closing stages to win the President's Champions Challenge. It's Heavy Metal the winner, Knock on Wood, Show Gunner, and White Line Fever just could not finish it off in the closing stages.